Hey, are you constantly stalling your dirt bike? I want to show you 3 simple tips so that you stop stalling and keep riding. All right, tip number 1 is using 1 or 2 fingers on the clutch lever and always keeping it on the lever. That way you can quickly grab it in case it's about to stall. Now when you shift it into gear and you're about ready to go, it's all about finding that point of engagement, or otherwise known as the friction zone. Once the bike starts moving, that is called the point of engagement or the friction zone. So the clutch is starting to engage, making the bike move. So it's a little bit different on every bike. It's usually about halfway, depending on the adjustment of the clutch and your bike. So once you find that point of where it starts to move, you want to continue slowly letting out the clutch. So just because the bike starts moving doesn't mean you can let the clutch out. That's how I see all my new riders that I teach stall the bike. Oh, it's starting to move, we can let it out. Oh, nope, stalled it. Give it a little bit of gas and still stalled it because you're just letting it out too quick. So what you got to do is just continue slowly letting it out until you're going fast enough. So just a little bit slower. Oh, got to put it in gear. So let it out slowly, give it a little bit of gas, and then you're going fast enough, and then you can let it out. And then it's a combination of using the clutch and the throttle. So once the bike starts moving, you only give it a little bit of gas. And then the last tip to prevent stalling is, like I said before, keeping your finger on the clutch lever, so that when you come to a stop or when you're going slow and the engine starts to slow down, you can just quickly grab the clutch before it stalls. So say you're coming into a corner, the engine RPM starts to go down because you're not going fast enough, you can just grab the clutch in, and then once you stop, you still got the clutch in, so the engine didn't die. And then you can just start again. Hey, I'm Kelly from Motocross Hideout, and if you like these tips and you want to go more in depth to become a skilled, comfortable, confident rider, check out my virtual dirt biker school on motocrosshideout.com. Learn more, ride more.